Well, we're down at the dog park, and come on, get out of that gopher hole. Come on. It's weekend. I don't think Bodie's going to be here. Where are you going? Let me see. Let me straighten this out. Yep. Yes. Don't back. Come here. Heel. Heel. Okay. There we go. Heel. 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 How you doing?
Hey.
How's it going, man? Good to see you. This little guy. Look at that, Jimmy. Come on. Come here. Oh, that little puppy. The German Shepherd. Come on. Come on, over here. It's a little bulldog. Hey, buddy. Over here, Zuma. Over here, Jimmy. No. Zuma. Zuma. No, Zuma. It's okay, Zumi. No. Easy. Be nice. Come on, Zuma. No. Look at this little. Look at that little guy. It's okay. It's okay, Zuma. Come on, Zuma. Come on, Zula. What are you doing, girl? Hey, Zumi. Hey, girl. What you doing, girl? Huh? A lot of different dogs here, huh? A lot of doggies? See a lot of dogs? You hear a little French bulldog? It's okay. It's okay, Zuma. 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 Come on over here. Let's see if they got bags. Come on. This way. See if they got any bags here in case they go. One of Bodie's gopher holes. Oh, no, no bags. No bags. Gotta go over here? Gotta go to the bathroom? No bags. With holes dug in the ground. All over. Gotta go. We're gonna have to pause for a bathroom break. Bathroom break pause. It's a little Scotty dog. You Scotty? That's Scotty, Zoomy? The Scotty dog. Come on, you ready? Come on, Zuma. Hey, that's no fair. You got your own big giant dog park. Wow. Thing's huge. Less gophers. No. There's a few. How you doing? Good? That's good. Just thought I'd stop by. Getting cold already. Scotty dog. It's kind of nice out there, huh?
Yeah.
Nice and pleasant, you know, because it's don't have all these dogs.
I think for him, he doesn't really play with other dogs.
Yeah.
So that's why I bring him over here, just to stretch his legs.
Yeah.
Kind of thing. So.
And it's like a big area right there. So.
Yeah. I mean, there's maybe one area that a small dog might be able to crawl under into the street.
Oh, really?
But for the most part, it's pretty secure.
Yeah.
And for the most part, he's not going to be running out of the park.
He's not going to be running off anyway, because
he's just sniffing around for a
you call him and he comes right back. What's up, buddy? Yeah. He likes
so the weekends is pretty empty. Weekdays, afternoon they have people playing games.
Oh, playing their games and stuff.
So he doesn't really go into where the people are playing.
Yeah.
But sometimes it gets pretty close and they have to kind of stop the game for a little bit.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
Take a break. No, your dog doesn't. He minds pretty good.
Yeah.
He's not running around.
Keeps himself. So.
He's not running around all wild and everything. He's like just enjoying the area.
Yeah.
It's the first thing Zuma got and looked over there and went like, wow. Looked over there. They got it made. Yeah. I got to get going. It's good seeing you, though.
Good seeing you, man.
We'll see you this week sometime.
Yeah.
Probably. Are you the guy feeding all these dogs Fireball whiskey?
Yeah. You gotta get that spicy water. They're here for a good time, not a long time.
Fireball whiskey's pretty good.
Yeah.
That's a good stuff.
I was meant to go to when I was like 18.
They come in buckets like that. They're little bottles.
I think it's like 12.
I haven't seen any of those in a long time.
Yeah, they're hard to find now.
Yeah, probably hard to. I mean, they were hard to find back then.
Bedmo might have them.
I think I bought a bucket or a couple of them one time down in it was like Circle K or something on Grand. I seen them. They had a couple. What the hell? There's some buckets. It works pretty good afterward. You put some dog food in there. When we went somewhere filled with dog food.
My dad uses it for his tools. He just throws his nuts and bolts in there.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Bucket,
yeah. Heavy duty.
He'll tell me, get the Fireball bucket. I'm all right.
They use it for water or geez.
Water, dog park, see? Multi-use. You live in a trailer, your toilet's done. Multi-use, man.
There's a Scotty dog. He's standing on his back legs. Yeah. Look at it. It's a wrestler. He goes, I can do that too. Sumo wrestler.
Yeah.
Oh, jeez. He goes, what? You gonna stand up on me? Look at.
I know circuses use those dogs, right? Or poodles too.
Yeah. He's like a Scotty dog, huh?
Schnauzer.
Wonder where
They're Irish, right? Irish or German.
Must be. Wonder where the other. Schnauzer, yeah. Where's the? What happened to the little? There's a little French bulldog.
Oh, I got it. It's on the other side now.
With the big ears on the other side.
Yeah. You probably do that.
Yeah, right now. It's getting cold now.
Zoom over here, patrolling.
Yeah, I just had to take. She gets frustrated. I mean, yeah, I got to take her because my wife went to the babysit the kids, out in the valley, and so make sure you take the dog or walk the dog or zoom her around the block. I go
terrorize the dog park.
I'll take her to the dog park then for a minute, not for.
Yeah, like I'm gonna leave like around 5 because I have a housewarming to go to. We started at 3, but I told my friend, hey, I'm gonna be there around 6. He's like, that's fine.
Yeah.
He's like, just my main family's coming at 3. I'm like, yeah, I'll be soon.
That's cool.
Yeah.
You passed your test, so you don't have to study so much now.
Yeah, not anymore. I barely even studied.
Barely even studied.
I just studied. I had the test on Wednesday. I started studying on like Saturday night. I was bored. I got home late. I'm like, you know what? I can't sleep. I have to study. Started reading all the stuff. Yeah.
You go to the union. What do they get you a job at the union?
Yeah. As soon as I get there, I go to the school. And yeah, it's a 6-8 weeks. I'm basically, it's like on-site work basically.
Yeah.
Like I go for school, but I'm still getting paid. And when we start doing the hands-on, we're technically already working.
Yeah. And you're working, and then you move up every 6 months or something to your journeyman.
Maybe 1,000, and after 1,000, 1,500, and after that another. I think it goes from 1,000 to 1,500 just after that.
Oh shit, that's cool.
It's basically like every like.
That's a good job, electrician.
Yeah, it's basically a yearly raise basically.
Yeah.
Well, I'm used to working in 6 hours, 6 days a week, so I might move on fast.
Oh, you FedEx, you work 6 days a week?
Yeah, every single job I worked at.
Man, you were busy all the time, huh?
So I was like 18 to 6 days a week.
Yeah.
Only anything on Sundays. Out of our
That's
church,
cool.
might as well work.
Yeah, shit. Might as well, or go to the dog park.
Yeah, I didn't have dogs back then yet. I got my first dog like 4 years ago, 3 years ago.
Zuma! Zuma! Come on. Yeah, I gotta go. I got somebody coming over too.
Alright, good.
I gotta get there. I told them I'll only be there about 15 minutes, but I said I'll be there. Come on, Zuma. Hey, we'll talk to you later. Come on. Come on, gotta go. Let's go. No. Hold on, Zoomy. Hold on. Looking at everybody out the door. What do you see out there, Zoomy? Zoomy, you want to drive? Oh, you can't drive. Okay, stay there. Good girl. Good girl. Stay right there. Yeah. Let me see your leash. Okay, let me get your leash. You're so good. You mind so good. Let me see your leash here. Damn. Okay, come on. Okay, there you go. Okay, stay right there. Sit. 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 Stay there. Hold on. There we go. Okay. Okay, good girl. Yeah. Good girl. Okay. Okay. Sit. Sit right there. Drop the leash. Good girl. Yeah. You mind better? There you go. Come on. Come here. Look, hook the leash. We're all good to go. Okay, there you go. You're free. Do what you want. Signing out, everybody. Adios. Thank you, everybody, for everything. Subscribing. Thank you.